Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.23 from page number 70 of structure of atom, right? So this question is split into three parts. So we'll see the first part first. So in this question, they are saying write the electronic configuration of the following ions. You are having 4 ions and you have to write the electronic configuration of these following ions, right? So we'll see the first one. So in part first, we are having A, that is H negative. Okay, so here we are having hydrogen atom who is carrying one negative charge, right? So number of electron in hydrogen you can write over here. Hydrogen atom, we are having one electron, right? So electronic configuration means you have to fill the number of electrons in the following orbitals, right? So H negative means this hydrogen atom gains one electron, right? So number of electrons in H negative ion, that will be 1 plus 1. It will be 2 electrons, right? So now we'll fill these 2 electrons in the orbitals, right? So obviously H negative will have electronic configuration 1s2. These 2 electrons will fill in the s orbital of the first orbit, right? We will see the next, that is Na positive, right? So Na positive, that means sodium lose 1 electron. So number of electrons in sodium atom equal to 11 electrons, and sodium lose 1 electron, that means number of electrons in sodium ion will be 11 minus 1, right? So 11 minus 1 will be 10 electrons. Now we will fill these 10 electrons in the respective orbitals. Electronic configuration of Na positive will be 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. Now here you are seeing the superscript value, that is 2, 2, 6. These 2 to 6 are the electrons, these 10 electrons that you have filled in the orbitals, right? So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. Now we'll see the C1, that is O2 negative, right? So definitely number of electrons in oxygen atom equal to 8 electrons, right? O2 negative means this oxygen atom gains 2 electrons. So definitely number of electrons in O2 negative ion equal to 8 plus 2, that will be 10 electrons, right? Same electronic configuration will come in case of O2 negative. So you can write over here O2 negative 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. If you'll see 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. Now let's see the last one, that is F negative. Now number of electrons in fluorine atom equal to 9 electrons, right? And F negative means this fluorine atom gains 1 electron. So number of electrons in F negative ion equal to 9 plus 1. It will be 10 electrons. Again, we will have the same electronic configuration. F negative 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, right? Now we will see the second part. In second part, the question is what are the atomic numbers of elements whose outermost electrons are represented by 3s1, 2p3 and 3d1. So this is the outermost electronic configuration. First of all, you have to fill the electrons in the orbitals till 3s1, then 2p3 and last one 3d1, right? So we will see the first problem first. Second parts, A problem. Here we are having outermost electronic configuration 3s1, right? Now you'll write the complete electronic configuration. So 1s2, 2 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. We have to fill the electrons till 3s, right? And here in 3s we are having only one electron. Now you'll count the number of electrons over here. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So we are having 11 electrons in this species. This species which carries 11 electrons is sodium, right? So this is sodium atom, right? Now let's see the next one. So next one is 2p3. Now you have to fill the electrons till 2p, and in 2p you have to fill 3 electrons, right? So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now count the number of electrons over here. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So there are 7 electrons. So an element which carries 7 electrons is nitrogen. Now C1 is 3d1, right? So we'll again write the electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, right? Now let's count the number of electrons. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, that will be 21 electrons. Now this is scandium atom. Now we'll see the third problem. So in third problem, the question is which atoms are indicated by the following configurations. Okay, you are having 3 electronic configurations and you have to tell about the atom, right? So here this helium means you have to fill the electronic configuration of helium over here, and you have to write the electronic configuration of neon over here, and then argon. Okay, so afterwards you'll write this outermost electronic configuration and we'll count the number of electrons and indicate the atom over here, right? So we will see the first problem. Third part, A problem is helium 2s1. Now write the electronic configuration of helium, that is 1s2 and 2s1. Now count the number of electrons. 2 plus 1, that is 3. So the species which carries 3 electrons is lithium, right? Now let's see the next one, that is neon 3s2, 3p3. Now first of all you'll write the electronic configuration of neon over here. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now these two, 3s2, 3p3. Count the number of electrons. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So an element or atom which carries 15 electrons is phosphorus. Now see the C part, that is argon 4s2, 3d1, right? So argon's electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, right? So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Now this element is scandium.